Not sure is the name of this video really descriptive, but the point of this video, how improve your experience with Bash, CLI, terminal, etc. In my particular case, it's Kubernetes, it's kubectl command, and here I have kubeconfig to AWS-based Kubernetes cluster, and also I have namespace and command to get pods and calculate count of pods. Let's see how it works. And I have count of pods in my cluster. And using this command is really cumbersome because you have to write every time this config, namespace, and so on and so forth. It's boring. What you can do here is add alias like this. Kubernetes equal, and just copy paste everything into this command. And now you can use this alias, just type Q8S and you will see the same result, which is nice and great. But to be honest, I don't really like this command because I'd rather use bash function, which is way better for me. And let's see why and how this function must look like. Let's start new session and let's write simple bash function like this. And actually, that's all. That's whole syntax is for creating function. And if we put this command inside function, it will work in the same way. Let's try. And now just type Q8S and let's see, same result. So yes, it works. And what's the point of this video and what the point of using this command is that you can improve this function in any way you wish. But with this alias, it's a little bit difficult to work because we have a string, and in this string, we have our comment, which is not always present to modify, update, and use. And for example, this function, you can do something like this. You can put your file in separate variable and reuse this variable with $f, and let's see that it works. Everything okay. And more interesting, we can put this thing into another place and reuse like this. So the idea that I have Q8S command and provide additional parameters like get pods, get services, and so on and so forth. And here I have just provide one thing, which is $, which means that put in this place all parameters received by this function. Let's see how it works. And now if I run this command, it should put get pods wcu-l into this command and run. So let's see. And it results the same. Moreover, what is interesting about that function is that you can add more stuff here, anything you wish, any kind of bash code. And for example, something like this, you can write echo access add and put data into something like Kubernetes. It says log like this. And now every time you use this command, you will have log, which is maybe not really helpful in this case, but it's for demo purposes. So you can see how it works. And if you write something like Kubernetes access log, you will see last time Kubernetes was accessed, something like this. Moreover, you can improve this function more like this and put namespace in separate variable, and you can provide these variables into this function call and reuse, and just improve. So I believe this approach is way better and convenient, and as a result you will have same simple short syntaxes and really nice shell terminal experience. Moreover, you can add this function into your bash src file, into this file. So bash profile in my case, and this function will available for you on every session in your terminal. So basically that's it, the whole idea. If you have better name for this video, please comment me, and see you soon.